that's why.
It's okay, Marina. Ese video made you bomb, Marina. It's okay. Good job, little girl.
Era un fun bomb.
Así se aprende.
Hi, welcome back to Smiles in the Bite. So I wanted to start a series of chocolate dipped treats because I've been showing you things that you don't don't necessarily want to do. Maybe you're a mom who needs tips and tricks on how to make quick little treats for your son's or daughter's birthday. So, chocolate dipped treats. This one's a little bit more complicated, per se. I'm gonna do caramel dipped apple slices. So you're gonna take your apple. I don't know where my mom got this, but I'm using it. And I'm just gonna slice the apple. So I'm just gonna take these skewers that I bought at Ralph's. Just gonna pierce the apple. And I don't wanna pierce all the way through because I don't want there to be a hole on the other side. Just a bit. And when you're doing this, when you're working with apples or bananas, you have to work a bit fast just because it's a fruit that oxidizes, meaning it turns brown once it comes into contact with oxygen. It doesn't mean that there's anything wrong with it, it's just oxidizing. So this is caramel. So I'm gonna do it the same way I did the pretzels. I'm gonna dip it at an angle. And the only hard part is going to be trying to cover the bottom. And you just tap. If there's that exposed bit, honestly, it's fine. It's gonna be covered in chocolate anyway, so I'm not worried about it. So it's not quite set, but I'm not burning my hands as I pick it up. So because I didn't tap this long enough, and because the juice is coming off, what I can do is I just flatten out the caramel and I'm pushing it down to cover the bit that's exposed. That's why you have to be careful because you don't want a lip. Okay, so like I mentioned with the caramel, once you dip the apple in here, you're not going to be able to use this for anything else. Oh no! I should have prefaced this video by saying this is my first time doing this. In my mind, this was gonna work because this is like any other chocolate dip treat. And it is working for like the later half, but I'm gonna make it work because we're resourceful and we don't waste things. Okay, so the caramel, at this point the caramel was too hot. And when you cook apples or you heat them up, they start to release juice. And that's exactly what happened. The caramel was too hot and I should have waited, but I didn't. But it's okay, trial and error. There's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing wrong with it. So this is the last one I dipped. I'm not having the issue with this one that I'm having with that one. So it does work. I just did it wrong. But it's okay, you're learning from my mistakes. You're gonna take your chocolate. You're gonna take your apple. Okay, everything I said in the beginning was a lie, scratch it. Forget it, erase it out of your mind. You have to dry your apples if you're dipping them in caramel. And that's why.
It's okay, Marina. It's okay, Marina. Todavía no llegamos a ese lesson in mi course, Marina.
Oh, in Sue course?
Yes.
If edible arrangements can do this, I can do this. And in case no one was aware, this is an edible arrangements slander account. We don't support edible arrangements around here. Because they don't qualify as a small business. They're now a large corporation and they don't give you good product. So if you're gonna order chocolate covered strawberries, support your small business or make them yourself. So the caramel didn't work. I wasn't properly prepared. Oh my god, why am I dipping it in caramel again? I was gonna dip it in the chocolate. Oh my god.
¿Por qué lo calentaste? Dijiste que estaba too hot.
I don't know. This plate's tired.
Well, we tried, Marina.
It's okay. Un fail video is okay. No soy perfect.
Well, this is how not to make caramel apple.
No apple slices.
Oh, okay, apple slices.
Y'all go great caramel apples. Oh man. Voy a volver a intentar esto. Lo voy a perfecto.
Can I try one?
Fine. Alright, bye.
Okay, graba. Okay, Marina's gonna record. Alright, we don't have paper towels. So Marina already said that if you pat dry this, it doesn't release juices, allowing it to stick. So since nobody's gonna eat this, we'll pat dry it like this. Okay? Make things work. This is for a video anyway, okay? The caramel isn't gonna be used. Again. Very fast. Like a boss. Okay? Dip sideways like, oh, it's still kind of hot.
Pero también es plastic, so va a estar hot anyway.
So, we have the problem, right? That it is heating up. This is just to check out the theory. Okay, Marina, real?
Theory?
Theories. So it's sticking a little bit better, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, it's not dripping. Now, of course, the longer, I suppose, you leave it in there, the better it'll work, right? One at the sides. We do a guillo. Okay. Now I'm doing this super fast, right? Ya esto no se va a usar, right?
Mm-mm.
Okay. Let's see if it'll sit. Nope. Se está viendo, mira. Go this way.
Sé que funciona, because lo hace la gente. Maybe si hago freeze the apple antes de hacerlo dip in the caramel.
¿Crees?
Yeah. So dejar que el caramel que no esté caliente el container. So, pero like que todavía esté poquito runny. Frozen apple. Dip it really fast.
Este se va a quedar. Not nice.
Freezer. Come back, chocolate, drizzle, y ya. Va a funcionar. Va a funcionar.
This video is going to be called How
Not.
Make Caramel Apple Slices. By Marina Rivera.
Ay, Juan Rivera.
Marina Rivera. Este video made you bomb, Marina. It's okay. Good job, Yo Glow.
Era un fun bomb.
Así se aprende.
I will come back with a functioning tutorial. I'm sorry you didn't learn anything, but I hope you laughed. And I hope this made your day, because it made mine. Okay, bye.